What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. It's time for some Snoop Dogg action here with his candle company, Scent by Snoop. I really hope that he does launch that. That'd be pretty darn dope. All right, so Snoop, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, given the regression function that models the profits for Scent by Snoop Candle Company in thousands of dollars, that's going to come into play. That's going to, thousands of dollars. I'm going to come back to that. Estimate the profits in month 21. So we have this dope function here, our profit function. T is going to be in months. T is months. And then I have P of T, my profit. That's going to be in thousands of dollars. Dollars. There we go. I like that. That says Dallas now. Dollars. There we go. Okay, now we got it. All right. Struggle from the beginning. Okay, there we go. So, what do we do here, man? I think we just bust out that TI, bro. We just bust out that TI. I'm going to plug it in. Now, we got to be really, really careful in plugging our numbers in here, right? Because one mistake, boom, the whole thing's gone. So we got 2.2766. And then in parentheses, I'll put that 21, and I'll raise that to the third power. Then I'm going to arrow over to the right to get back into the main line. Just keep on plugging in. All right, I get 8,481.7339. So let's write that down. We got 8,481.7339. So this is our profit in thousands of dollars, right? Not Dallas or anything like that, but in thousands of dollars. Okay, this is how many thousands we have. We have 8,000,000. That's weird. So either you can move your decimal place through, or I can just multiply by 1,000 while I have it in my calculator here. And I'm gonna write down here, we've got 8,481,733.9 then. I don't know why I was looking at my calculator when it's right there. Alrighty. So what do we have here? I'm gonna put a comma, a little comma action. We got 8 mil. We got 8 mil. Snoop, Scent by Snoop is popping off. It's popping off. Now, this would be money, right? I'll throw a 0 there. Now, another thing that we might ask you, say like on a test question, always get to prep for the test, right? I got your back, bro. I got your back. Is they might say like, round to the nearest 1,000 or nearest 10,000, okay? Not thousandth decimal, but 1,000. So let's say we're going to the nearest $1,000. That would be that place right there. So if I was asked for the nearest 1,000, I would then have 8,482,000 in profits, okay? So that's rounding to the nearest 1,000. Now, if I want to go to the nearest 10,000, if I want to go to that, it'd be 8, 4, and then 8, the 1 would not round that 8 up, so 8,480,000. That would be my nearest 10,000. Okay, so there are different ways that we can ask you to answer these questions. You gotta be very, very careful with the wording there. I didn't specify in this one, so this initial blue one right here would be our answer. But if we did ask, those are 2 variations, because really, this is a regression model. It's not gonna be 100% accurate. So generally speaking, when you're talking with big numbers in the millions like this, you'll likely go to the 1,000 or 10,000 place to give your answer. So you're not like showing someone like, oh yeah, it's gonna be this. It's gonna be, you're acting like it's gonna be exactly that, right? We're saying about this. It's kind of like sig figs, sig figs in a little science class, but still, yo bro, you only round once, right? You know what I'm saying? All right, that's dope.